the longest church in Australia, lights up with one-of-a-kind Christmas story.
A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. Once upon a time, in Victorian London, lived a miserly old man named Ebenezer Scrooge. Bah, humbug! His heart was as cold as the winter wind, and he cared for nothing but his money. One Christmas Eve, Bob Cratchit, Scrooge's only employee, was working tirelessly in the dim, freezing office. Merry Christmas, Uncle. Will you come dine with us tomorrow? Humbug! Christmas is just an excuse to pick a man's pocket. Good afternoon, Fred. Bob, I suppose you want a day off tomorrow, If it's convenient, sir. Well, it's certainly not convenient. Little did Scrooge know, his night was about to take a mysterious turn. That night, the ghost of Jacob Marley, Scrooge's old business partner, appeared. Ebenezer Scrooge. I am the ghost of Jacob Marley. I wander the earth for my cream. I wear a chain I forged in white. I made it link by link. You will share my fate unless you change your ways. Tonight you will be visited by 3 spirits. Heed their warnings. Why am I seeing this? Spirits, leave me be! I am the spirit of Christmas past. Look, Scrooge, remember how you once loved and were loved? Your greed pushed everyone away. Please, Spirit, take me back. I cannot bear these memories. See how the Cratchits celebrate despite having so little. They cherish love and family. To Mr. Scrooge, the founder of the feast. God bless us, everyone. Spirit, tell me, will Tiny Tim survive? alive? If these shadows remain unaltered by the future, the child will not see this spring. No, no! Spirit, take me back!
I am the spirit of Christmas yet to come. Look around. Behold your future if you do not change your ways.
No, no, Spirit, I beg of you, I will change. I will honor Christmas in my heart and live a better life. I promise, Spirit. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! To you and you, good morning! Good morning! Merry Christmas! Good morning! And so, the story of Scrooge reminds us that whatever challenges are in your heart, Christmas, the birth of Jesus, says, have hope. You are infinitely loved. Be filled with joy.